Hi, Ray. It's Miss Hornig here. I hope you're doing okay. This is just a quick sort of welcome back virtual assembly. Of course, we prefer to see you face to face, but it's safer for you to stay at home at the moment. I hope you had a lovely Christmas and New Year, and we're just going to talk through what's going to happen over the next 2 weeks. So, all your lessons will be online until Friday, the 15th of January, and you need to access your Show My Homework account to access the learning. Hopefully, you've all got access to this because you've been using it for your homework since September. But to log on, you need to go to the school website and select the Show My Homework icon or open the app. You then need to select Sign In with Office 365. You need to enter a username, which is whatever username you use to log on to the school computers. It's that username at theforestacademy.co.uk. And your password is also the password that you would use to access to log on to the school computers. Okay, so whatever login details you use for the school computers, they're the ones that you use for Show My Homework. If you're having any issues logging in, contact admin at theforestacademy.co.uk as soon as possible so we can help you. Please don't just not access the learning. Make sure that you get in touch with us so you're not missing out. If you have any issues accessing laptops or the internet, then let us know about that too, and we can help you. So your lessons are going to follow your usual timetable. So this week we're on week 2, so you need to access your timetable and follow your lessons for week 2. Your lessons are going to be a mixture of pre-recorded, uploaded onto Show My Homework, and live lessons at your normal lesson time. If you don't understand something in a pre-recorded lesson, write a comment to your teacher on Show My Homework and they'll respond. If your lesson requires any work to be submitted, make sure you do this straight after your lesson. Your teachers will be taking a register for every lesson and ensuring work is being submitted. Over the next couple of days, you should expect a phone call from your form tutor or myself. And this is just to check that everything's okay and that you understand what you're doing. Your live lessons will start from 9 a.m. tomorrow, Tuesday, period 1, week 2. We will be doing a weekly assembly to catch up with everyone. We look forward to welcoming you back to school safely as soon as possible. See you soon.